In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your house name on Google Maps. This process is fairly simple and should take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, you're going to want to open up Google Maps on your computer's browser. Using a desktop browser makes it easier to navigate through the options we'll be using today. Go ahead and open the Google Maps website and have it ready in a new tab. When Google Maps is up and running, take a look at the upper left corner of the screen. Here, you will see the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Alternatively, you might find a Contribute button there. Clicking one of these options will allow you to get started with adding your house name to the map. Once you've clicked the Menu or Contribute button, a panel will slide out from the left. Among the various options presented, find and select Edit the Map. This gives you access to a couple of choices, such as Add a missing road or Add place. For our purpose, you should select either Add place or, if it more closely aligns with your need, Add a missing road. Next, you'll be asked to pinpoint the exact location of your house on the map. Zoom into the area where your house is located. Accuracy is key here, so make sure you place the marker precisely on your property's location. Once you've identified your spot, it's time to fill in the details. A window will prompt you to add the name of your house. Alongside the name, include any additional details that might be relevant. This could be anything that is useful for identification, like unique features or markers nearby, to help others find it more easily. Finally, double-check all the information you've input. If everything looks good, go ahead and click the Submit button. This action will send your submission to Google for review. Remember that changes won't appear on the map instantly, as it generally takes some time for Google to review and approve new additions or edits on the map. And there you have it. Your house name is now on its way to being added to Google Maps. It's a straightforward process, but does require a bit of attention to detail. I hope this guide makes it easier for you to get your home recognized on the map. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Have a great day.